Look how high the dock is out in the river. Oh man, it is the Kittanning River now. I'm recording here. It's 16 feet. This is 16 feet of high water. It sucks. Duck, yeah, hey duck. Hey ducky. Look at this, huh? We're on a sidewalk. The sidewalk is underwater. Oh wow. Whew. That's a lot of water. Wow. That is a lot of water. The island is underwater up there. Whew. You know, in theory, this dock could float up. In theory, this dock could float up to there, but if it got that high, if it got up as high as that rail, it'd be flooding Kittanning out. Yeah, it should be flooding, definitely. Well, last year we had water up in the amphitheater, so. Oh, I love this. Here we are, stopped in Kittanning on our way back from Pittsburgh today, and you can see the cloud deck out there moving in. Rain headed my way, but that's all we need here on the Allegheny River. It is so bloody high. Here in Kittanning, you can see this walkway walks down to the sidewalk that parallels the river, and you can see the sidewalk is underwater, and you can see the pier down there. The pier system is on a pulley or on like a rail where the water comes up. The pier will rise up that rail. Now I've been told that the water has already been so high that the deck was up to the top of that rail, and if it got that high, then Kittanning itself back here, it floods out, okay? But the river has already been up over the bank here, so you can only imagine how much water that would be. That's a lot of water. They got the bridge done. They were working on the bridge for the longest time. They got it done. But yeah, that water is flowing pretty hard out there. There's a lot of junk floating on there, tires and trees, and I saw a couple of sheds floating on a river. The island up there, you can't see from here, but let me walk down here and see if I can see the island up above the bridge. It is almost gone. Only thing you can see are some of the treetops, you know. But oh yeah, you can see how high the water is. Okay, you can see it there, up there. This camera might be right up there under the bridge. There's an island up there. The only thing sticking out of the water are the treetops, okay? The whole island is underwater. You can see the sidewalk over there. It comes up, and it's under the water there somewhere. And then it's all flooded out here. This is amazing. Totally amazing. That's, wow. Yep. A lot of water. A lot of water. Last summer we had, the river was high last summer too. They didn't get much boating in. They had boats tied up out here, I guess, and they had to take them and get them off the river. So, whew. Man, I can't wait for the river to come down. But again, we have a lot of rain coming in now. More rain coming in, and oh, it might be a while before it comes down. I like it here in Kittanning. They have these really nice gazebos that they built along the river here. They had an event this weekend. They had to cancel it, just like Thunder in the Valley. All that rain here that canceled they had a free concert here scheduled, and they canceled it.